Hey guys, it's Wads and welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, let's do this. When I was a kid, I used to flip through those motocross magazines and get completely obsessed with certain bikes like the CRs, the RMs, and the YZ250s, and especially the ones with those gold rims. Guess I just never really got over that feeling. So, this is me finally bringing that vision back to life. In today's episode, we're taking Barkey Jr. and completely transforming it.
Getting rid of all the gray, going all black.
Tearing down the old plastics and graphics, installing a fresh custom kit from PWR Graphics. They customized this for the bike. Even put my name on here, the channel name Wads, my nickname. Finishing the build with a set of custom Warp 9 wheels.
Is that over the top? Is that too bold?
This is a deeper gold. I don't know if you can pick that up. These are the Warp 9 racing wheels with the gold anodized aluminum rims, black nipples, silver titanium spokes, anodized hardware, black CNC hubs to tie it all together. Kit had to match the wheels well, and well, I think the OG Moto vibe nails a nice balance between 80s and modern. For you guys looking for a stock replacement setup, this is a full custom wheel build, so I'll be straight with you. These are not cheap wheels, so if you're looking for a budget replacement for stock, this is not it. This package came in about $1,400 US, and I'll admit I hesitated for a second, but I went all in on this build with the titanium spokes and anodized everything and the gold. It's about the most expensive build you can put together, but it makes this bike really come together. Warp 9 Racing is a small shop. There are basically 20 guys there. They've been building custom wheels for over 20 years. I've run their wheels before in a previous build, so I already knew the level I was getting into. I did on my FE501, I did a supermoto build. One of the main reasons I keep on going to Warp 9 Racing for my wheel builds is how customizable and easy the process is. You go to their online builder, choose your rim, your tire type, spokes, nipples, hubs, rotor, even your sprocket size. They include all the spacers. The devil's in the details. No hassle, no guesswork, and it's assembled by some of the very best wheel builders in the game. So you bolt it on and you ride.